Hello everybody, come on in. Hello again my friends, it's that time again where we find out what I've bought, what I can remember buying and what it's for. Right, make your mind up Raymond. Now then, I think, no it isn't. Ah yes it is. Right, got one on the back there, but aha, there's one there. Come here. Right, I want to put this DC to DC step-up converter and step-down converters into boxes that I can then, you know, mount to walls and what have you. But I want control over the two preset pots here. And I don't know if you've ever tried when you got, say, like one in here, right, and you want to change the voltage on it, like this, and you got the meter to hold on to as well. So what I've decided to do, which I've already done to the one on the solar panel outside, is to buy these multi-turn pots. They go about 10 turns stop to stop. What value are these? Can't even remember what I bought. Oh, these are 100k. And that's exactly what these are, I think. Yeah, these are 100k. So they can now go in a panel at the end of the box or under the box, and then you have terminals coming in and terminals going out, and makes life a lot easier. I mean, I started to suffer with arthritis in my thumb joints, but this is going to make it a hell of a lot easier than trying to fiddle with a screwdriver or a trim tool. So I've got 3 of these, and they come with their washers and nuts, and yeah, that's going to be a great job. So that's the first one. And I'll put that over there for now. Right, now what have I got here? This is heavy and it rattles. Ah, perfect, beautiful. Now, some time ago, well, I'll go back probably 3 years, maybe a bit more. My friend Jason in Norfolk sent me a full kit of drills. Well, in my packing up to bring the lab out of my home and into here, I've put them away, and I know where they are. They're in the office somewhere, but my office is a bit, well, I only call it my office because it was the first workshop that I had in the house, or flat, and I used to do my computer work in there as well. So I found these on a UK company called B&Q. Okay, that's it, right. So, I see. Out you can twist it, then you can fall out that way. There we are, got it at last. Right, sorry to keep you waiting. These are a Makita, from Makita, and they're D54075. And there we go. Lovely jubbly. That's perfect. So I just ordered these day before yesterday, because I've been getting drills off of from China, and none of them were sharp. So then I got one of those drill sharpener things. You stick in a cordless drill and pull the trigger, and then you turn the drill around. So yeah, the sizes on this is 1.5 to 2.5, 3, 3.2, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 4.8, 5, 5.5, 6 and 6.5 millimeters. They say they're for metal, but as we all know, we can use them for other materials, wood, plastic, with varying degrees of success, I might add. Right, so that's that one. I'll put that one that way around because I've got some big bits to come. Okay, then what have we got here? Oh yes, right. Now, excuse me, these are for outdoor use. But what I'll do is I'm going to put one above here and one above that bench, so that I've got light blasting down, and then but they'll only be put on if I'm doing videos at night. Right. There's not going to be any opening or anything like that, because I can do that when I modify them, because I've got to take the solar panel off, etc. These are 24 volts, I think. Oh, they're solar main, yeah. to, oh hang on, this is 20,000, yeah, this is in 20,000 languages. Right, press button, oh yeah, and it's got a sensor system on the, it's got different lighting modes, and you get to change them with, remote controls. Like I said, I'm not going to demonstrate it now because this is just purely an unboxing, and I'll do an individual video on modifying them for in here, which means I should be disabling the sensor light, the solar panel, because it'll be powered off the Powerwall. I'm trying to find what voltage there are. That doesn't say on the instructions, so we'll find out when we open them up what I'm pretty sure it's lithium cells they're using, but we'll see right now. I'll open these up so that you can see what they look like in their full regalia. And I think it might be 12 volts, don't know. But either way, I'll be able to power them off the Powerwall. If they're 24, that'd be fine. If they're 12, I can put a step-down converter in. I got them off Temu. I can't remember how much I paid for them. Oops. Okay. That's that one. Pop that one there. Now we've got a sort of unbagging. I bought this, crikey, I was still building a lab, I think. Yeah, I think it was when I was building a lab. And it's a heater, a PTC heater. Oh yeah, this is daft. This is an electric blanket. Change the subject totally. It's just going to be a quickie. And not for electrical fires. Guess who didn't read the description? So if anybody wants a fire blanket, it's not for electrical fires, let me know, I'll send it to you. Free gratis. Right, because this is PTC, it means it'll work off DC. And this is mains grid operated. Otherwise I don't want it on the grid. I shall only be putting enough power in to give off a little bit of heat in the winter when there's frost about, just to keep this lab to around around about 10 degrees. I'll be fine. But won't cause any problems with anything I've got in here. At that, below it could cause problems. So that's what I'm doing with this. Okay, auto safety shut off. Yeah, I've seen that. That was it, really. It comes with the main lead and what my friend Jace and quite a lot of other people call a kill adapter. Yeah. Do you know where this goes? In the bin. Okay, if I can go there. It's got thermostat. It's got oscillation, but I'm not interested in that. It's not for keeping people warm, it's just to, as I say, keep the temperature in here up above freezing. What I'm going to do is fit a thermostat outside and a room stat in here, connected in series, so that if the room stat is down and the thermostat is down, that means you've got a complete circuit. It'll fire it up. As soon as it gets to a good temperature, the room stat will switch it off. If the temperature rises outside before it gets to the room temperature, that's fine. It'll cut it off, because any temperature rise outside will come in here. So I don't want this going all the time. If so, like this day to day, which is sunny, as you know, in the winter you can get lovely days like this, but it's bloody cold. So that's the system I'm sorting out. Again, that will be a video thing for the project. I've got plenty of time to do that one. Oh, by the way, I can't remember what I said in the beginning or not. When I'm doing these post bags and they're all coming out on the same day every week, in between times I'll be doing project videos, so there won't be just all unboxing and post bags and what have you. I mean, I've got enough bags in here and boxes in here to sort out to keep me in videos for a millennium. Where's the English? That's what I'm looking for. A warning and safety instructions. Yep. Oh, that was good. I was going to show you the tilt switch. It's there. So that's down, it'll operate. As soon as you do that, that falls out and switches everything on. Yeah, this one is 250 to 240 volts, 750 watts on one setting and 1500 watts on the second setting. Now I couldn't care less about what wattage this is, because A, I'll be operating it on lower voltage DC anyway. Also, it's not to warm me up, it's to stop this place freezing and causing problems for the electronics. That's all I'm after for this one. And it'll be stuck under one of these benches somewhere, probably in that corner over there. Right, so that's that one. Let's show you around it. Okay, I'll show you the kill switch there. Excuse me. On the top, you've got yeah, that's the on-off switch. That is the temperature controller, and this one switches to off. Fan, 750 watts, which is Mark 1, and the second one is 1500 watts, which is that one. At the back, I doubt if you can see because of the black, there's a nice big fan in there. And again, that fan is probably rated for 250 volts AC. I'm hoping they've wired it into the PTC heaters, and I can run them on that voltage on DC. But either way, I could always swap the fan out, not a problem. Nice big grate in the back, and that's figure of thumb. That's the circle of air intake, and then you got the same or more. No, you got more on the front with the mesh grill. Outdoor Revolution. So that's that one. Pop that up now. What I'll do, I'll put back here. For whoever asked me to, if they can have this, that's fine. I'm afraid it'll be first come, first serve. If you go onto my channel, About, you'll find my email there. And even dispose it after use. Not for electrical fires. It's for wrapping people up if they're on fire. If your garden fire, your barbecue goes out of hand, gets out of hand. Instructions on how to use it, visible and verbal. And there you are, there's the two tabs. You hang it on the wall like that. When you need it, you just grab hold of the two bags and yank it out. Okay people, that was a short one, and I hope you enjoyed it. I've only got one thing left to say. Hint hint, I'm trying to be different. Right, okay my friends, thank you very much for coming, and I'll see you next time.